Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. So today I thought of letting you all know about the secret, rather the scientific reason behind losing or gaining weight. So there are important things to be looked at before starting your journey. Let's have a look at those important things which needs to be looked at before starting your journey. Okay, so the two important terms which you should be knowing before starting your weight loss and weight gain journey are BMR and the second one is TDE. So what does BMR mean? It's a basal metabolic rate, which means even when a person is at rest, like he's not doing anything, he's just sleeping, even then the body will be performing certain activities like heartbeat, brain function, blood pump, all the activities which is done inside the body. So for those activities to be done, it needs some energy. That energy is called as BMR, and BMR is measured in calories. The second term is TDE. So TDE means total daily energy expenditure. So what does it mean? A person cannot be at rest all the time. So he needs to do some daily activities like it could be walking, going out, doing household chores, exercises, or if at all there are kids, then looking after kids. So all these are called as extra activities. So for those extra activities, it needs extra energy, which means you are spending extra energy to perform all these activities. So what does TDE mean here? So TDE basically means the extra energy which you are spending plus your BMR is equals to TDEE. So here, if you can see, the activities which is happening in the body and the extra activities which you are doing is called TDEE. So, for example, for an average person to perform the activities inside the body, he needs about 1200 calories. So that's his BMR. And he can spend about 600 calories to perform all these activities. So that's the extra energy which he is spending. So if you count 1000 or if you add 1200 plus 600, the total number of calories is 1800. That's his TDE. That is the maximum number of calories is 1800 calories. So now we know what is BMR and what is TDE. How to take these into consideration before going with weight gain or weight loss. So now let's have a look at it. So as I said earlier, for a person he needs about 1200 calories. So that's his BMR, and TDE I took it as 1800 calories. So for the weight loss, he should know his both BMR and TDE. So here BMR is 1200 and TDE is 1800. For him to lose his weight, what he should be doing? He should take more than 1200 calories, and he shouldn't be going anything above 1800 calories. So basically he should be taking calories between 1200 and 1800. That's between BMR and TDE. So let's say if you think that 1500 is between BMR and TDE, and if you if you're set to 1500 for a long period, no, the weight loss not gonna happen as you think. You will have to follow the process step by step. So I will be explaining about this particular process in the coming videos. But remember one thing, you should never go below your BMR. If you do this, then you are losing out on your metabolism. The next is weight gain. So weight gain is basically you should always take calories above your BMR and TDE. So TDE here is 1800. If you want to gain more weight, then you should, for an example, I have taken 2500 as the surplus calorie, that is the more number of calories, and you should be following a step-by-step process here and shouldn't jump, straight away from 1800 to 2500. So also, it's not that you know your calories and you can take whatever the food you want. No, it's not like that. You will have to take the nutritious food. It should include all the macro and micronutrients, and I will be covering that in the coming videos. The third thing is maintenance. Let's say you are neither fat nor slim. You would like to maintain the same weight which you are currently, then you should always stay at your TDE. So if you want to maintain the same weight, then take calories somewhere close to your TDE only. If you go below this, you will lose weight. If you go above this, you will gain weight. So this is how you need to calculate your BMR and TDE to lose or to gain or to maintain your weight. So did you understand what is BMR and TDE? Quite boring, isn't it? But yeah, can't do anything. Those are really important for our own benefit. So if you have any doubts, you can feel free to ask me. Along with this, I also thought of including the myths which I usually get to hear from people around me. So I have made a list of those myths which I know of. To start with, lemon and honey in hot water gonna help in reducing weight. No, it's a myth. Lemon has got vitamin C in it, which is good for building immunity, but not really in losing your weight. The second one, no rice concept. So the concept here is, if you stop eating rice, you're going to lose your weight. No, that's not right. To have a healthy lifestyle, you should include all the food items in your chart. Third, only fruits for 7 days. So having only fruits or vegetable for 7 days is a big no, because it's gonna, it's gonna take your metabolism on toss. So don't go with only fruits or vegetable for 7 days. So if you do that, you are taking way lesser than your BMR. So that's again not good for your health. Next, green tea for weight loss. No, green tea will not help you in reducing your weight. But the benefit of having green tea is it has got antioxidants. That's good for your body. Otherwise, green tea doesn't help you lose your fat. Fifth one, skipping meals. So I only have breakfast and lunch. I skip my dinner. No, don't do that. So you should always have all your meals. That's the best way to lose your fat or lose your weight. So follow the thing which I explained, that's BMR and TDE, to lose your weight and not something like this. Sixth one, replacement shakes. Like you see so many in the market, like drink this, don't have breakfast or don't have dinner, rather just drink this and you will lose your weight in a month or whatever. Don't do that. Replacement shakes are not really healthy. So they might again hamper your metabolism, and in a long run, they're not gonna give you any good results. I mean, with respect to your health. So don't go with replacement shakes. Rather, always follow a healthy diet, which is really good and that is sustainable. Next, drinking more water helps in fat loss. No, again it's a myth. Drinking water has got its own benefits, but drinking more water helps in fat loss. No, not right. So that's again a myth. I'll let you know about the benefits of drinking water in the coming videos. So stay tuned. The next one is the more you sweat, the more weight loss. That's again not right. A person who work out rigorously may not sweat, and a person who just sit on the sofa might sweat a lot. So that doesn't mean, if he doesn't sweat, doesn't mean that he's not going to lose his weight. So that's a myth. Diet pills or supplements. Taking diet pills or diet tablets is not really good. That might give you a bad impact in the future. For that particular moment, you might lose your weight, but if you consider it in the long run, it's really not good for your health. The last one, you will see results immediately, like lose weight in 7 days, lose 10 kgs in 7 days, 10 days, 15 days, whatnot. So all that is a myth again. If you come across any such, please don't follow that. Weight loss is a process. It's a journey. So you need to follow a particular process in order to reduce your weight, and not something like reducing it in fortnight. So these are all the things which I wanted to let you all know about. So to conclude, follow the right process to lose your weight. Take your own time, learn things, and then start your weight loss journey, and not believe in any of these myths. So that's all for today. Hope you liked the video. If you have any doubts or if you need any clarifications, feel free to comment in the comment section. Also, I'm going to link my Facebook profile link in the description. You can also message me. I'll try to answer them as much as possible. So for today, it's time for me to say bye-bye. I'll see you next time in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Have a good day. Also, if you are watching my video without subscribing, please do subscribe, and also share it with your family and friends, and do support me. Thank you very much.